Hey guys, how's it going? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and today I'm going to give you a huge tip for your business, and that is how to use the Facebook Creator Studio. This is one of the most massive things any business can use. It's absolutely free. It just helps you organize, it helps you save time and save money. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this thing. So if you go to your business page on the left-hand side, you go down to Publishing Tools. Okay, then this is going to pull up, and once this pulls up, we're going to go to the left hand side. Under Tools, you'll see the Creator Studio. So once that pulls up, it's an entire dashboard of everything from your page. So it'll tell you from the minutes viewed to the followers to the engagement to scheduling posts to go live. But what I love most about this, okay, because we can now get into Instagram with this too, but I'm going to show you Facebook first, and then I'll hop over to Instagram to show you guys as well. So what you want to do is basically come over here to Content Library, and then what this is going to do is going to pull up all your content from your videos to your posts to everything, right? So this whole platform is basically designed for videos. And what Facebook is trying to do is they're trying to be the big dog and beat out YouTube. So they're really pushing videos like crazy, okay? So what's cool about this is, first and foremost, if we go to the left-hand side and hit post testing, this is one of the biggest advantages that any business can use, because a lot of time when you post stuff, you don't know if your title's right, if your copy's good, is your picture very good, what is it? Well, here's a way for you to be able to test your posts to see if any of those things are good or what's working, right? And the perks of it is you can compare anything from your video content to titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. You can test up to 4 different video posts for the same video. Facebook says you get your results in as little as 10 minutes, and you can start to publish with confidence because Facebook will tell you what's working and what is not working with your posts. And you can start to apply that to future videos to really grow your audience, right? And that is fantastic. And they recently just rolled out stories. So you can pre-schedule your stories, your posts, photo albums. It really doesn't matter. You can sit here and do amazing things with this. Videos you can cross-post to other channels, to maybe groups you have, other pages you manage. They got playlists, they got a series. So if you wanted to create like a little TV show or whatever, you could do that here, and you can pre-schedule these out, which means if you wanted to do just have Facebook push out 1 video a week, you can schedule that day or for that very next week, and it'll push it out automatically. This is where it saves so much time and so much money for a business, that you can pre-schedule all these things out. And you can literally pre-schedule whether it's posts, pictures, videos, stories, clips, series. You can literally schedule these out for the next 3 to 6 months and just let Facebook do everything for you on autopilot, which is awesome. And then you got posts on your timeline, instant articles, just different things that is really going to set you up. So here's one post. So if you go to posts on timeline, you'll kind of see the stuff that I've been posting on my page, just different social media marketing tips and tricks that any business can use right away to really be able to unleash the power of social media. So as you can see here, and it'll tell you everything that's going on with the post, from when you posted it, where you posted it from. This is a group that I have on Facebook for local businesses, and this is where I post a lot of the social media content on the Des Moines Chamber Chat. And this is also a group where we showcase, highlight, and promote local businesses. So if you're not part of this group, I definitely ask to be requested to be part of this group. But one of the main things is if you go to create post, okay? So you can create your post, create a story, upload videos, or upload multiple videos at a time, pre-schedule them so they just start to post out like crazy when you want them to, when you set them up. Okay, video post videos across pages. So if you own multiple pages, then you would be able to hit this drop down, pick your pages, and then hit upload video, and that's basically how that works. So there's a ton of stuff. You can see your insights, you can see calls to action. With every page you manage, this is another big one, is if I click the drop down, you can choose a single page or all pages at one time that you manage, and then you can sit here and message back all in one place. Then they got creative tools. This is another thing I like, where they have a live dashboard to where you can see all your data from your Facebook. And then they also have a sound collection, so when you make a video, you can pull from these different sounds and music to use for your videos. So that's what I love about the Facebook Creator Studio. It really just dives deep. It's an all-in-one platform to basically help you do whatever you want. You can also, if I go back to content library, so for posts, it's not only upload videos, you can upload pictures and create albums. And the cool thing about the pictures is, like, let's say you're in the construction business and you got a ton of before and after. You can upload up to 200 pictures at a time, turn around and pre-schedule them weekly, so they just are, Facebook is throwing out the content without you actually having to do it. And this is huge. So for any business out there watching this, if you have a social media manager, they definitely need to be using this Creator Studio, because it will save them a ton of time and resources just by using this free tool that Facebook gives us. Now, so that's the Facebook version, and I'm really excited about the Instagram version. You've never really been able to do anything as far as desktop for Instagram. So this is another way for you to be able to see all your things, from videos to stories to carousel to your IG TV videos, see how they're doing, what's working, what's not working. But that's another thing that I do like, is on the left hand side they have a calendar. So like I told you earlier, it'll tell you when you posted and at what time. So that's cool. So the content post, so if we go to create post, we can do Instagram feed or IGTV. Let's just say Instagram feed. It's exact same as you would be posting on Instagram. And then once you got all this filled out, right down here on the left hand side, let me see if I can pull this down here, it says publish, but you can hit this down arrow and there is an advanced feature that says schedule. You can schedule it out whenever you want, because the main thing about Instagram is there's certain times you should be posting. And if you know those times by doing your research for your posts in different Instagram things, then you can just start posting at the peak times, so you know most people will see your post. So that's what I love about this, and it basically takes all the guesswork out of when you're posting, what you're posting. So this is awesome for any business, especially if they're using Facebook and Instagram. This is an all-in-one dashboard to really just take your social media to the next level. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys use this Creator Studio. It's going to save you time and money, and I'll be back for the next video.